guys probably like, why is she about to dip her locks inside of hot water? No, these are lock extensions, and I'll tell you why I have them in just a second. But pay attention to how you dip your lock extensions in hot water to make them softer. Hello everyone, this is Akaya coming at you. Unfortunately, I don't know if y'all follow me, but you know that I had some locks. I'll show it to you. I had this lock, this lock, this lock, and this lock. And I also have another lock right here. So grand total 6 locks that I was trying to get lint out. And also 2 right here, but thank God I was able to save these. But I was trying to get lint out, and unfortunately, me messing with it daily, each and every day, it made the lock not strong anymore. Okay, it made the lock not strong no more. I kept taking tweezers, y'all, and trying to get lint out. I started from up here, I started from down here, started from here. And it wasn't just lint, it was buildup also, because maybe about when I first started my lock journey, I was using flaxseed gel. And when I say, guys, the flaxseed gel has so much just lock build up in my locks. This is actually the lock. You probably can't really see it, but if you really get in there, you can like see it. Like it's embedded. And I am OCD, so I got real OCD, and I was just trying to get them out, Then eventually I just damaged them. Like once you mess up your lock, y'all, it's never 100. It's ways to fix it. It was totally damaged. I kept on trying to mend them, and if you see that right there, I mended it a couple times, but it was never 100, y'all. What I did, y'all, is I was like, you know what? I'm tired of it. It's so much lint in it, and I just wind up just taking. I cut it to about right here. When these was my real locks, I come to about right there because like I said, they broke off, and I just kept on having to fix them every time I washed my hair and everything. So I just got sick of it. I just wound up just cutting them completely off. So now the back was completely off. I said what I wanted to do is go in and just comb all the back out because it has so much stuff in it. Like I said, the flaxseed gel, one time I did the rice water, had a lot of stuff in it. I'm really OCD, y'all, very OCD. So if I see that in my locks, it's gonna make me want to get them out. So what I did was I kept picking at them. Like I said, I just wind up cutting them off, undoing the whole hair, this whole hairline right here, and turned it and just did these lock extensions on them. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was so distraught, so stressed out, and I'm still stressed out that unfortunately I messed up the back like that, because it's my fault. I messed up the back like that. And the real reason, to be honest with you, lint was in it. It could be like things that you lay on, things that you sleep on, if you're not taking care of them like you should. Because I'm not gonna lie, y'all, most definitely was doing them every month like clockwork, every month. And then I kind of slacked off. I kind of went from 4 months to 3 months, and I was still taking care of them, but I wasn't going in, brushing them, making sure the lint was gone. Plus, I told you guys it was buildup. So that's a way that you most definitely can mess up your locks. So please, guys, take care of your locks. I don't want you to be like me. But the moral to the story is I wanted to show you guys, they have kinky bundles of hair. It's like 100% kinky bundle hair. I wish I had it, but I don't. To me, those were the best locks that I made. I made them myself. The hair was much softer. The thing when you buying lock extensions, y'all, you got to make sure it's the texture of your hair. And you won't know, y'all, until you get it. Some Amazon places let you take the hair back. Some of it don't. So sometimes you just stuck with it. So this is about lock extensions now. So what I would do, guys, is just maybe buy like 6 lock extensions from the company and see, do you like the texture? Do it feel good? Attach them. And if they feel good, then buy more. Don't go in and buy 100 locks and you don't even like the way that they are. Like for instance, like these, y'all, they are so hard. Like when I say hard, they hard and scratchy. If you guys ever have faux locks with the Marley hair, you will know exactly what I mean. I even dipped them in hot water. I showed them to you. I dipped in hot water. They still really scratchy on my neck. But dipping it in hot water did make it better. So if you have some extensions in and you need them to be a little softer, maybe try to dip them in hot water like we do braids. But Again, I'm going to be starting a whole nother lock journey with these ones back here. Eventually, what I'm going to do, guys, like I said, I'm very OCD. So I can't have like short and then all the rest of my hair is long. I can't. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I am going to actually leave these in until my hair grow a little bit more, because I got two, again, OCD, that I just like, you know what? I don't even care. I just cut it. Like, so once it grows to probably about around this area, that is when I will take out the lock extensions. But they will never be 100, because you see the length would never be the same, because you see how long my real hair locks are. And I didn't want them to be as long as my real locks, because if I did, they would be getting on my nerves, like being long. So I wanted to make them shorter. But moral to the story is, please, please, please do not pick out your lint and your locks, because my locks never gonna be the same. These go always be starter locks versus these long locks. That's why I gotta have some extensions or something. But I'm gonna make them myself. I already made me some once before. They came out real good, real nice and good. And I feel, to me, when I bought the kinky hair and I made it myself, the texture was so much on point, my hair. See, here's one that I made that, when I say, guys, I mean, it's such, my texture is nice, it's soft, it's my color. But this, y'all, this is my color, and it looks, I mean, wait, that's my real hair. This is my color. It looks good. It looks real good to the eye, but it's very hard, very hard. They have my back hair so itchy. So again, what I'm gonna do, like I said, you guys, just wanted to tell you about lock extensions. Make sure you are paying attention to the texture, because the texture is so important. If you get all these in your hair and it's just super hard, and you will never know. Buying hair is like buying a box of chocolates. You will never know. But ask the person who doing them. Just be like, can you please let me know if they're going to be hard, because my hair, I can't do the hard sticky kind. And then maybe they can let you know, but you just never know. But like I said, this hair was soft. I got this from Loc Sanity on Amazon. Just put in Loc Sanity, I think that's the name of it, and it's a kinky bulk hair, and I made mine. So I think you would do better if you can have somebody make them, or you make them with the kinky hair, or if you buy them online, ask them, are they hard, are they soft, because that's very important, because your texture may not be the same. But I don't see nothing wrong with wearing extensions, as long as you making sure they're not too thick, they're not too thin, they're not too heavy. Okay, but again, guys, like I said, all this right here is my real hair. All this is my real hair. It's just, unfortunately, now, y'all, I'm gonna have to have 4 lock extensions back here, because I just can't do the small, the large. And then what I'm gonna do too, once my hair do get longer, I'm going to actually go in and I'll probably either instant lock it and add the extensions to it, or not really sure how I'm gonna do it, but I'm going to be unfortunately have to wear extensions in the back for a while, because I don't want no undercut. I could get an undercut, but I'm not into the undercut. So but anyway, I'm about to interlock my hair, and I just wanted to show you guys, tell you guys. And another thing is, make sure too, guys, you're using 100% human hair, because if you want to dye your hair or something, especially if you got a lot of them, you don't want that synthetic hair not dyeing. And I truly believe, y'all, this hair, this lock extension is they are not 100% human hair. So I'm just telling you that. You just never know. But anyway, I'm proud about the rest of my locks. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, that really made me deterred. It made me be like, you know what? I'm gonna cut them all off. No, no, no. It's a lot of things out there that's not 100. Like, for real. Like, you might mess up different things. Like, nothing's 100. So since I said that, you know what? I'm just going to, again, grow these back, my baby's back, in the back. Until then, I'm going to fake it till I make it, because the rest of my hair is nice and healthy and full. But when I first started, y'all, always have problems with the back. Anyway, it was really, really, really short. To be honest with you, lint was in it. It could be like things that you lay on, things that you sleep on, if you're not taking care of them like you should. Because I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I most definitely was doing them every month like clockwork, every month. And then I kind of slacked off. I kind of went from 4 months to 3 months, and I was still taking care of them, but I wasn't going in, brushing them, making sure the lint was gone. Plus, I told you guys it was buildup. So that's a way that you most definitely can mess up your locks. So please, guys, take care of your locks. I don't want you to be like me. But the moral to the story is, I wanted to show you guys, they have kinky bundles of hair. It's like 100% kinky bundle hair. I wish I had it, but I don't. To me, those were the best locks that I made. I made them myself. The hair was much softer. The thing when you buying lock extensions, y'all, you got to make sure it's the texture of your hair. And you won't know, y'all, until you get it. Some Amazon places let you take the hair back. Some of it don't. So sometimes you just stuck with it. So this is about lock extensions now. So what I would do, guys, is just maybe buy like 6 lock extensions from the company and see, do you like the texture? Do it feel good? Attach them. And if they feel good, then buy more. Don't go in and buy 100 locks and you don't even like the way that they are. Like for instance, like these, y'all, they are so hard. Like when I say hard, they hard and scratchy. If you guys ever have faux locks with the Marley hair, you'll know exactly what I mean. I even dipped them in hot water. I showed them to you. I dipped in hot water. They still really, really scratchy on my neck. Hopefully this video helped you. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. It's funny, as I show you these pictures, I think that it's going to be 6 years, October 30th, and I started a whole new journey. Now I'll be starting a whole nother lock journey just in the back. Who would have known 6 years later, and I'll be starting a whole new journey again in the back. Stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed. Bye, guys.